Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. It seems like forever since I've said hello to my friends. You must excuse me, my voice is going. I usually have a fairly clear voice and my voice is going. I just wanted to say hello to everybody who've been out there sending all of their love and all of their kindness and their prayers to me in this time of illness. I'm getting better. As most of you know who have followed, I have long COVID. I have gotten COVID 3 times. Hopefully you can hear me. It's lasting illness for me that's taking a toll apparently on my immune system. I've just finished a course of steroids. Well, I still am on the steroids, an antibiotic, and I got yet another new inhaler that this is about my 4th one. It seems to be working a bit. My coughing has subsided, and I don't want to go on and on about not being well, because I think it's just a bummer. A lot of you said you wanted an update because Ian had made a video, and you like, oh, let's see how Jean is doing, and you're so very kind, but I think it's very depressing because I'm getting better, but I'm not sure how long this very weird virus is going to hang on. I've gone to the doctors and my general practitioner, and I'm very vigilant in taking all my supplements, my D3, my zinc, my vitamin C, my B12. So all of those levels were good. My cholesterol was fine. It was odd. My blood sugar was slightly elevated. I've never had problem with that. But she said that could have to do, again, with the virus and the things. Just so weird. My voice is gone. The coughing. The thing that's bothering me the most, and I'll wrap this part up because it's too depressing, is the chronic tiredness. Now, as you know, we have had 10 children. I've been pregnant 13 times. I know what tiredness is. I know what tiredness is. And the tiredness that I'm feeling, this fatigue, I guess chronic fatigue, is so debilitating. I walk 10 steps and I have to sit down, let alone do anything. I'm so blessed that I am able to lay down, have a lay down. I'm trying to sleep better at night, but the coughing, whatever, bit of a mess. I think I'm slowly getting better, but I do think that this is going to be a long, hard slog. I just have a feeling. I've had other illnesses before in the past. As you know, I have had bronchitis. It's nothing like that. Years ago I had meningitis. I was in hospital for a month. I had a gangrene gallbladder when I was 9 months pregnant with our 7th child, and I had to have that taken out surgically. And I've recovered. And this virus, maybe it's because I'm older, maybe, but it's a very strange thing. Anyway, I just wanted to come and say hello to you. I don't know when I'll be back in my sewing room. I just don't feel like doing anything. And of course the doctor said, well, you know, you have to build up your immune system, which I am trying desperately with lots of naturopathic things and homeopathic, as well as a little bit of exercise. I'm trying. She said, oh, you have to sleep well, which I don't, but what am I going to do about that? Eat well, which we do, and exercise, which I I'm trying to go for a walk, but I go 10 paces and I have to just have a rest. But that's a beginning thing compared to how not energetic I was, but how, you know, the state. What I'm trying desperately to do is to be okay to be able to attend the quilt show on September 13th at the Oaks Convention Center with my Jen and Ian and Maxwell. I will go. I'm not contagious anymore. I'm not carrying or anything, so I can go to the quilt show, but however long I last, but that's 2 weeks away, so hopefully I'll be feeling a lot better by then, because I do want to do that. I have not really been out of the home in about 5 weeks. I've done 1 or 2 small shops and then I'm exhausted. Maxwell and Ian are holding down the fort, so kind of them. A lot of you were concerned about Maxwell. He has he did have his grand mal seizure a few weeks ago, which was a worry because he had been pretty much seizure free. So that was upsetting. But we had gotten a emergency medication for him, a spray up the nose to stop a seizure immediately. Our daughter Malia, as you know, Malia is 5 or 6 years older than Maxwell. She has very kindly taken on, not the task, but sometimes the burden of taking Maxwell physically down to Philadelphia for his appointments at Temple University, which is so kind to see his neurologist. But the other day they had come back and the prescription, it was interesting, this emergency medication for Maxwell was phoned into our pharmacy. Malia went to not pick it up, but to get information on it, and it was $1,700. So she said, well, I don't have $1,700. So she called the neurologist, and the neurologist said, oh, that particular pharmacy doesn't really put the insurance through. They just can't be bothered. Let me put it through the pharmacy, but down in Philadelphia. So sure enough, the prescription went through, the insurance went through, but Malia said, oh, she didn't feel like driving all the way back down to Philadelphia, about a 40-minute drive. So actually she called our older son, Luke, who was working there. She said, oh, Luke, if you're anywhere near Temple, could you go pick up Maxwell's prescription? Which he did. I guess what I'm saying is everybody's on board to help each other in our family. And I just want to end this by saying 2 things. Yesterday, on Sunday, September the 1st, I don't know when I'll be putting this up, because I'm compiling some photographs. Our grandson, Tristan, number 2 sons, Justin and Janae's little boy, their youngest, is going to kindergarten. So they had a pool party for the family. Well, there's 40 of us, but there was about 50 people there at their pool on their farm. I didn't go, of course. I just was not well enough, and I'm not up to being around 1 million people, family included at this point. But it was lovely. So Maxwell and Ian and Janae have sent some pictures along. So I'll just put them up of the fun they had. It was really nice. And then last but not least, we are going to be grandparents of 20 little grandchildren. Our number 7 son, Francois, and his wife, Brianna, are expecting their 2nd baby. They have Stella. If you've been around here long enough, you knew when she was pregnant with Stella. And they're expecting their baby in March of 2025. So that will be 20 grandchildren we have. So lovely. So that's good news I want to end on. I want to say hello to everybody and send all my love. I'll be wherever I am. I'm just trying to recuperate. I do have a lung doctor appointment on October 16th, which I will be going to. But yeah, this virus is, I just say it's weird. It's a weird illness. I've never had anything like this. And I'm doing everything in my power, the exercise I can get, and rest. And I am so very blessed that I am able now at this stage in my life to rest. I just have to go to sleep. The tiredness is beyond overwhelming. And so I know you guys will understand. And I do appreciate it if you to keep my channel going. As you know, I don't like to say that, but maybe you could go back. I have a million videos you can watch of me in better health and some sweet little projects. So if you wouldn't mind doing that, it would help out a lot. I like to help Ian out by earning a little bit each month, but I've been pretty much useless. But I am being looked after by our family. I'm so blessed, and by all you people out there. Thank you so very much. So a few little pictures to follow of the little pool party, kindergarten party. They set up a like a construction zone with building blocks and a wrecking ball and all sorts of sweet little things for all the little boys, all of our grandkids. Most of the pictures, most of the people that you see in these pictures are related to me. I either gave birth to them or they gave birth to the grandchildren, and just a few friends. So it was sad that I missed it, but I was okay with that. I'm not up to that right now. But anyway, thank you, folks. Please, wherever you are, stay safe. Stay away from this. This is nasty as nasty can be. This long COVID. Some people don't think it's a thing. I'm telling you, this is a thing. Anyway, folks, love from the Trueloves. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.